Hi, I'm Jaya and I'm the co-founder of Indigene.
Hi, I'm Ruchi and I'm the co-founder of Indigene.
And I'm here to talk about our Relove story. I think Relove is quite inbuilt in cultures across the world. In different ways, Relove basically means using your waste or minimizing wastage. Bring in Relove through our use of scrap and waste fabric that comes out of any fabrication unit.
Our work focuses more on collaborating with artisans who work with traditional textiles, and that is something we used to incorporate in our clothing line. Repurposing has been quite an integral part of our journey for past many years, and initially when we saw that a lot of textile waste was being generated during making the collections. We thought of using them in a way that something more beautiful could come out of it.
Second thing being, because we work with a lot of precious textiles and we don't want to waste an inch of it, because we really work on it from the scratch and we don't want to let it go. So we want to reuse that textile, every bit of it, so make it into a repurposed textile base, which we then convert into garments, jackets, etc. The smallest bits go into buttons, tassels, all sorts of little accessories that we can bring out of it. Well, our aim is always to use as much of the waste that we create, but I would say we end up at least utilizing 50% of the waste that we are creating.
So once we have these dyed patchwork textiles ready, we quilt them with another lining and mostly create garments which are slightly heavier in weight, like jackets, overgarments, and we add stitching details like quilting, smocking. There could also be more accessorizing on the garment, again using the leftover scrap pieces.
So Indigene started with love for handmade and for craft.
Sustainable fashion itself is more of an oxymoron, we feel, because fashion can never be sustainable as such. Our bit in the field of fashion is that we create something that is timeless. Ever since we introduced this idea of Relove, I think gradually now even our team knows that every bit of scrap needs to be collected together and put it in that pile of scrap that will go into creating the Relove line.
मुझे इंडिजिन में काम करते हुए 12 साल हो गए यहाँ पे काम करते हुए। मुझे काम करते यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। ये हम लोग का पैचवर्क यूज करने का मेन मकसद ये था कि बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो कटिंग करके उसको फेंक देते हैं, पर हम लोग इसको छोटे छोटे टुकड़े को जोड़कर एक न्यू सैम्पलिंग बनाते हैं। फिर उसके बाद न्यू सैम्पलिंग बनाने के बाद इसको एक प्रोडक्ट गारमेंट तैयार करते हैं। फिर लोगों को अच्छा लगता है ये गारमेंट पैचवर्क जो बनता है। लॉन्ग गारमेंट भी बनाते हैं, शॉर्ट गारमेंट भी बनाते हैं इसका, जैसे लॉन्ग जैकेट है। छोटे छोटे गारमेंट भी बनाते हैं इसके पैचवर्क जोड़कर।